Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can take a burst shot in the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So at the start open the camera app, then go to the settings and make sure that you have a swipe shutter button too in the take burst shot option. Now keep it selected and just hold the finger in the shutter button and slide a little bit down. You can see we took 7 burst shot photos, and now if you want to select the favorite one, go to the gallery, tap on this little icon and select your desired photos. Now just tap on this little icon and you can save selected pictures, and you can also save the pictures and delete the rest of them. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.